My name is John Blanco. I'm one of the pediatric orthopedic surgeons on staff at the Hospital of Special Surgery. I take care of children with orthopedic conditions. One of the great things about pediatric orthopedics is that you can, if you treat something correctly, that child can be, the captain of their varsity basketball team 5 years down the line. They are the type of patients that if you do the wrong thing or if you do the surgery the wrong way, it could really affect that patient negatively. So doing a well-timed and well-performed surgical procedure on a kid can really change their life. I always try to imagine that it's my child that I'm seeing. And, a lot of times family members will say to you when you've had a long conversation with them and gone over all the x-rays and all that, they'll say to you, what would you do if it was your child? I always tell families that the hardest thing they'll do is sign a consent form for their child to have an operation. It's a very difficult thing to do. Even for what we would consider a minor operation, for them signing a consent form and letting their child be taken back to the operating room and not know what's going on for a couple hours is a very difficult thing for a family to do. So you really have to not only get their confidence, but get the child's confidence and make sure that the team that you're working with has the confidence of the family as well. And then once the families see that you really have an interest in their child as a person, not just as a condition or an x-ray, that usually takes a lot of the fears that they have as well. The last thing they want is a doctor that just puts up an x-ray, ignores their child in the corner and just starts talking about, the angle on their x-ray or something like that. And so taking a kid who has a devastating congenital anomaly, the family's all upset about it, and you're able to take care of them and years down the line see that kid in photographs they send to you playing on the soccer field or on their basketball team is really very cool, and I enjoy that a lot.